Hello children, good afternoon. As you know, there are 8 major organ systems present inside our body. We have already discussed each organ system in brief. In this chapter, we are discussing the skeletal system and the nervous system. There are 4 types, you can say there are 4 parts of the skeletal system: skull, backbone, rib cage, and limbs. In the previous classes, you have read about the skull, backbone, and rib cage in details. Today we shall discuss about the limbs. But before we start, let's identify these 3 diagrams over here. Can you identify these diagrams? So the first one is the diagram of the skull. The second one is the diagram of the backbone, which is also called vertebral column. And the last diagram belongs to the rib cage. So now we'll move ahead with the limbs. In human body, there are 2 types of limbs: forelimbs, which are the arms, and hind limbs, which are the legs. Now, we'll discuss each one by one in details. At first, we'll discuss the forelimbs. As you can see over here, there are different points that I have written down. You don't need to write it. So these are the important points that you need to know about the forelimbs. You can see in the diagram the forelimbs and the hind limbs. Let me tell you, the arms are the, the arms are the forelimbs. These 2 are the forelimbs present in the human body, and these 2 are the hind limbs, which are the legs present in our body. Let's see the diagram of the forelimbs. This one is the diagram of the forelimbs. The forelimbs are attached to our body through the shoulder bone. This is the shoulder bone, and with this shoulder bone, the forelimb is attached to our body. As you can see over here, the forelimb is divided into 3 parts: the upper arm, this one is the upper arm, the lower arm, and the hand, in which consists the fingers, the wrist, and the fingers. The upper arm is made up of one long bone. The yellow color you can see, this is the upper arm, and it is one long bone, and this one long bone is called humerus. What is it called? Humerus. This one long bone is called humerus. The lower bone consists of 2 bones. You can see in the diagram very clearly. There are 2 bones in the lower arm, the ulna and the radius. One of the name of one of the bones is ulna, and the other one is the radius. And this lower arm extends to the wrist and fingers, and these wrist and fingers are made up of a number of small bones. And this upper arm, which is the humerus, is only responsible for providing the strength to the lower arm for pulling or lifting anything. It is clear now. The forelimbs are divided into three parts. The upper arm, which is made up of one long bone, and this one long bone is called humerus. Below the upper arm is the lower arm, which is made up of two bones, ulna and the radius. And below the lower arm we have the wrist and fingers, which are made up of many small bones. And this humerus is only responsible for giving strength to the lower arm for pulling and lifting things. We have discussed forelimbs. Now we shall discuss the hind limbs. So this is the diagram of the hind limbs. You can see in the diagrams the hind limbs are attached to our body through the hip joints. This is the hip joint, and with the hip joints the hind limbs are attached to our body. Like the forelimbs, the hind limbs are also divided into three parts. Here in the diagram you can observe the three parts of the hind limbs. This is the upper leg, this is the lower leg, and the third part is the foot region. So the upper leg is the thigh bone. The upper leg is the thigh bone, and it is also made up of one long bone. This one long bone is called femur. The one long bone of the upper leg is called femur, and femur is the longest bone of the body. Femur, please note it, femur is the longest bone present in our body. And then below the femur we have the lower leg, which is connected through patella. Patella is the kneecap. And this lower leg is made up of two bones, tibia and fibula. What is the lower leg made up of? The lower leg is made up of two bones, tibia and the fibia. Below the lower leg we have the foot area, and this foot area consists of the ankle, fingers and toes, which are made up of many small bones. So it is clear the hind limbs are also divided into three parts: the upper leg, the lower leg and the foot area. The upper leg is made up of one bone, which is called femur, and it is the longest bone present in our body. Below is the lower leg, which is made up of two bones, tibia and fibula. And the lowest part is the foot area, which consists of the ankle, fingers and toes, which are made up of many small bones. So you have known that femur is the longest bone present in our body, but do you know what is the smallest bone that is present in our body? Stapes. S-T-A-P-E-S. Stapes is the smallest bone present in our body, and where is it? It is inside our ear. And you know the length of the stapes? It is only 2.8 millimeters long. So this was all about the limbs, the forelimbs and the hind limbs. In the next class, we shall discuss about the functions of the skeleton. Thank you and have a nice day.